Or have you ever spent time lying on the bed at 2 in the morning, hoping that you can sleep, but it simply does not happen? You are not all alone. Lots of individuals past the age of 50 or perhaps yourself are contending with sleepless nights, however exhausted you may be. The sleep turns out to be elusive, and the following morning you feel heavy in body, fuzzy in mind, and depressed in mood. We have, haven't we? Sleeping pills? Melatonin? Herbal teas? However, what would happen if the solution was lying in the kitchen of yours? Yes, garlic. That plain, unostentatious clove that in the kitchen we employ. What could happen when, finally, garlic helps you to sleep soundly again? Hang on, we will talk about 4 of the most potent ways that garlic can be used to aid in restoring those restful nights, all naturally, all safely, and most importantly, without dependency. I will never forget the experience when my uncle, aged 68, told me that he is having sleepless nights. He did all he had been prescribed by the doctors. Nothing lasts long. However, later on, practically accidentally, he has discovered a certain solution that his grandmother had once worked out during her village. Neither was it a pill. It did not look like a cool gadget. Garlic it was. I laughed at first. Garlic for sleep. But then I looked, and I noticed that he had changed. Into his eyes, he felt cooler. And he said, "I slept last night. I slept actually even the first time in years. This is when I knew that I needed to search more into this." Why garlic works. Garlic is not only food, it's medicine. Thousands of years ago, it was applied to settle the body, promote health, and recover the nervous system balance. It is now in the modern science we learn that garlic assists the body to form serotonin, the feel-good chemical, which eventually converts to melatonin, the sleep hormone. It also dilates blood vessels, eases circulation, and has got a minorly calming effect on the nervous system. And what is the best of all? You do not have to buy expensive equipment. You need no prescription. And a clove of garlic is all you need. For methods to use garlic for sleep: 1. Garlic under the pillow. This sounds almost a bit too basic, but trust me, it will work for many. Fresh garlic clove placed under the pillow lets the natural garlic scent slowly waft into the air. Not strong, not overwhelming. It's just enough to slow down your breathing, clear your sinuses, and gingerly touch your nervous system. Like you ever notice how certain scents, like lavender or chamomile, can make you relaxed and calm?
Yes.
Garlic does the same thing, but in a stealthy way, grounding. It is sort of like it's a quiet whisper to your body. It's safe. It's time to stop. 2. Garlic on the soles of your feet is an interesting one. Did you realize that your feet alone have acupressure points related to circulation, relaxation? These points are stimulated when you smear crushed garlic at the bottom of your feet, perhaps in a thin cloth. It sedates the nervous system. It properly reminds the body to slow down. Others even sleep deeper on the first night when they use this. 3. Warm garlic milk with honey. Now, this one feels like comfort in a cup. Warm milk already has a soothing effect on the body. Add garlic and honey, and you've got a natural sleep potion. Here's how you do it. Warm a cup of milk. Add 1 or 2 crushed garlic cloves. Let it simmer, then strain it. Add a spoonful of honey. Drink it slowly, about 30 minutes before bed. The garlic calms inflammation. The milk relaxes. The honey keeps your blood sugar steady through the night. And the combination tells your brain, it's bedtime. 4. Black garlic. This black garlic is a surprise to a first-time user. It is fermented garlic, soft, sweet, and full of antioxidants. The black variety of garlic is particularly strong in this respect, since it enhances serotonin production even stronger than regular varieties of garlic. That translates to improved sleep patterns, improved rest, and having more energy the following day. It also boosts your immune and digestion systems, which tend to have a large influence on our sleep. It can be considered as the upgrade of ordinary garlic by nature. Choosing your method, you do not have to experiment with all these at a go. Begin with one. Watch what your body tells. Perhaps it sounds more right to put garlic under a pillow. Or you love the warmth of garlic milk with honey. Both the techniques are natural, easy, and safe. and you may adapt them according to your style of life. It is the consistency. Gradual small steps are what can restore your sleeping rhythm in a body. Imagine this: you hit the bed, and for the first time in years you do not turn and turn. You fall promptly asleep. Even your sleep continues. And you wake up fresh, energized with the next day in mind. Nor is that a dream. It's possible. And then sometimes it is as simple as garlic. If this has been helpful to you, don't keep it to yourself. Pass on to a friend or family member that are having sleep problems. And share in the comments which of the various garlic methods you will try first. For more natural health tips to turn you from tired to thriving in your 50s, plus, subscribe to ThriveFitUSA. Since your prime years aren't behind you, they're just ahead.